the position of the court. The orders that are being sought are indeed discretionary, and this court has wide discretion. It is clothed with wide discretion to actually review the orders before it, or to make any other orders that will be geared towards resolving this impasse and also bringing a solution to the matters that are before me. I also note that these matters are also well, and they are in the public interest, as we all know. It is the duty of this court not to send anybody to jail. And I can tell you for the last 10 years, I've never sent anybody to jail. Since I left my position as magistrate in Kibera in 2007, I've not sent anybody to jail. But the role of this court is to bring a solution, a dynamic solution, given what is happening. Given that the matter is in the public interest, and I have the discretion to review my orders, and I've heard what the learned ladies and gentlemen have stated on the other side about allowing some more time to have this issue resolved. I will take time and review the orders I gave on 12th of January. I will further suspend the sentence that I issued, and I'm suspending it for 5 days. 5 days which expire on 31st, because on 31st I want to come back and hear the parties. The parties meaning that if there are responses from the other parties on this application for review dated 24th, they should respond so that we come back together on 31st of this month, that is on Tuesday next week. We hear if we need to review. If you are negotiating, and that is not what is before me. What is before me is the application for content. And I let it be clear that I'm not hearing the application for negotiation. But if this court is given an opportunity by the parties that are negotiating to come and ask this court to also help in those negotiations. But as you know, I cannot meddle into the parties' affairs until I'm invited in. So I'm only dealing with that issue, but I've heard what Masese has said. I also know that this court actually has wide powers and can enter into this arena of the negotiations and resolve this issue. So I'll suspend this sentence further. So the doctors will not be going to jail today. They have 5 more days. And this 5 days is not for negotiation, it's for calling off the strike. Because I'm dealing with a case for contempt. It's for calling off the strike. The negotiations are the sidebar. But we are allowed to continue the negotiations. So we come back on the 31st. The respondents will have 3 days to respond to this application that has been filed. Then you come back, you can have more directions on the Tuesday, 31st.
Most of them.
So those are the matters.
Most of them.
Another matter, as you go out,